Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavan Swai. Today I am going to make avakai pickle. For that I have cut the mangoes and kept here. I have taken bite-sized piece here. Normally the vendor used to cut and give us. So when the vendor cut the mangoes with the tool, only the seed inside, the white seed inside the mango will be taken out, and the outer layer of the seed will stick to the mango, and that is the way the mangoes are used for avakai pickle. But today I have cut it at home, so I have taken the bite-sized piece. Now this 1 kilo and 100 grams of mango is there. Here I have taken 1 cup of rai dana, that is mustard seeds. You get this in the market ready made. Otherwise you can just warm the mustard seed and grind it in the mixer at home also. This is the methi dana, methi dal it is called, that also available in the market. So this I have taken around 20 grams. A fistful of black chana, this my mother-in-law used to put it in the pickle, so I am also following the same. And around 10 grams of asafoetida, 1 cup of chili powder, 1 cup of salt, and 1.5 cup of oil I'll be using. So we'll first mix all these masalas: chili powder, salt, mustard seeds dana, methi dal, chana, black chana. You can just warm and add to the pickle. This is the asafoetida. I will use 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder also. I have added the turmeric powder in this 1 tablespoon. Now we will add 1.5 cup of oil in it. Gingerly oil I am using for preparing the pickle. Normally slightly I used to warm the oil, cool it, then I used to add. Today I am adding it directly. Slightly differing from my mother-in-law's recipe. I have taken Rajapuri mango for making this pickle. In Mumbai we get this mango. And Kashmiri chili powder I am using. If you are using very spicy chili powder, according to your requirement you add it. So our pickle masala is ready here. In my blog I have posted the pickle using the Kepra mango masala. This is done. And while preparing the pickle, always ensure that the oil level is above the mango or lime, whatever the item you are using for pickle, so that it will not get spoiled. Now this is done. I will add the mangoes in it. Give a good mix. While choosing the mango, you ensure that it is not yellow in color. It should be white in color. Break open the nail like this. See, with a vatagati. This is a large knife which we call vatagati, and see the seed of mango. I have removed it from the nail. Now this we can remove the outer cover, this brown cover like this. It comes out if you peel it off. It comes out, or with the knife you can peel off this and cut this and sun dry the same. And you can store this, and whenever you want you can use it. Everything is mixed and kept here. Now I feel that the salt is slightly on the higher side. I'll see tomorrow, and if I feel that it is more, then I'll add another mango in it, maybe 1.5 kg mangoes. The exact quantity of the ingredients used for making this pickle I'll give it in the description box, so that you can prepare it accordingly. Now cover it and keep it for 3-4 days like this, and every day you have to mix this well, and once in a day cover and keep it. Then when it starts oozing out the oil and water, that time you can fill it in the bottle and keep it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. The second day the pickle will become like this. The salt was little more, so you can use 3/4 cup of salt. Since the salt is more, I have to add now another 400 grams of mangoes in it. So totally 1.5 kg mango I'll be using it. And if you want more spicy, you can add more chili powder. Some people eat very spicy pickle. Now after keeping it for another 2 days, this you can fill it in the glass jar and start using it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. Finally, in the bottle, around 2.157 kg pickle is the final product.